have made it a Quran in Arabic, that ye may be able to understand, and learn wisdom.
In Arabic, there are 15 derived forms.
So, get ready to work hard to learn the language of the Quran.
We certainly need derived forms.
Dr. Ibrahim Surti.
They broaden the horizon of the meaning.
Arabic made easy, convenient in methodology to grasp God's guidance by the eminent exponent Dr. Ibrahim Surti in ways unique in learning Quranic Arabic.